Hello everyone, my name is Padarbin. Today I would like to teach you about present progressive tense. If you are preparing for competitive entrance and you are looking for the best training note to improve your English communication skill, then please watch this video of lesson and get yourself educated and remove all doubts. Okay. So what exactly I'm going to give you? I'm going to give you the note in a sequence with note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and with exercise also. This is my planning that I would like to tell you. So today I'm going to give you the first note about present progressive tense that you can understand what is all about it. So let's learn. This is a live training note and I want all of you to gather information. All right. So let's go by this process of learning. We can learn beautiful things about these tenses. Allow me to keep my videos here. Okay, so present progressive, most of people they call continuous also. So both are same, present progressive, continuous. So many videos already have made it for simple present tense. I want to recommend all of you to watch that also, then you come to present progressive. Fine. Now focus that. Here I would like to tell you some active voice structures which is highly required for us. We have four sentences: positive, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. So what is the best structure of present progressive tense? Subject plus is am then V4, then object or complement. In negative we have to put not. In positive question first we have to bring auxiliary, then subject, then V4 plus object and complement. Isn't and aren't, so we don't have am and I, that's why we have to go for aren't I. So isn't and am, then subject, then V4, then object and complement. So this is accurate sentence structures that I recommend all of you to go by this process. You can achieve your accuracy. Fine. So here I would like to tell you for passive, subject plus is mr, then you have to use being, then V3 form, past participle, then by plus object. This is a positive form of passive. We can go for negative by adding not, and if we put auxiliary before the subject, that is going to be positive interrogative. Then isn't or aren't with this passive after subject, before subject if you put isn't and aren't, then being plus V3 plus by plus object is going to be our negative interrogative of passive. Fine, it's easy to make it out. It's not going to be difficult part of anybody. Fine. So here I would like to tell you one best part of understanding. Let's go by one example. I am doing it, I am not doing it, am I doing it, aren't I doing it. So remember, this is the only tense where we use aren't I in tag question also, or am I not. All right. So we are doing it, we are not doing it, are we doing it, aren't we doing it. So this is the part where you will come to know how to use it when you learn best usage of it. So I'm giving one example with the structure so you can understand. So at the time of speaking when something is going on, so we can express our ideas with a variety of notes also we have, how we can use present progressive tense effectively. Now focus that we have another form is with they are doing it, they are not doing it, are they doing it, aren't they doing it. Then we have he is doing it, he is not doing it, is he doing it, isn't he doing it. She is doing it, she is not doing it, is she doing it, isn't she doing it. Fine. It's doing it, it's not doing it, is it doing it, isn't it doing it. We can take any third person singular person name. For example, Rumi is doing it, Rumi isn't doing it, is Rumi doing it, isn't Rumi doing it. For this is singular noun. For plural, she and I are doing it, she and I aren't doing it, are she and I doing it, aren't she and I doing it. Two subjects, that's why we have taken are. Fine. So we can create the WH words also. So what is the best part of WH words creation over here, that we have these all WH words: what, who, whom, where, when, why, how, whose, how many, how much, how often, how long and how far. We can go by this structure: positive WH questions, WH plus is MR, then subject, then V4, then object or complement. Then in negative form, WH plus is MR, then subject plus not plus V4 plus object or complement. Example: what are you doing here, where are you going now, why isn't she coming here, why are you not speaking up. So in this way we can create WH words. So this is a small idea I wanted to share with all of you. Now I'm going to give you the note 1, note 2, note 3 in a sequence. I want all of you to watch it and understand the tense specifically, and be sure that you are not going to face any difficulties over here. and I'm not using or speaking with technically, so I want all of you understand the accuracy of it. So you have already improved a bit of your English communication. It's time to understand it and understand English context in English way also. No doubt you need somewhere bilingual approach, Hindi and English, but you can also learn and understand it by English, okay, teaching approach where everything will be very simple. No need to be worried about it. You can make it very simple when you watch and listen to the lecture or this study video once or twice. So this is the idea I wanted to share with all of you. This is our Facebook Mainstay Abroad. You can visit, and Mainstay English learning course also there, and learn English confident. Two pages are there, you can join and follow it. And also we have our uh, uh, own application. If you go to Mainstay Abroad, okay, Play Store, if you type down on Play Store Mainstay Abroad, you can find our application. You can download it also. So this is our phone number, business for business communication. If you're looking for any best of training, and if you have any queries on this part, you would like to get it clarified, please don't hesitate to connect us. We'll definitely reply your queries and give you the best service. Thank you, all the best, and don't forget to watch the rest of videos which are in a sequence. Then you can study everything. You can and finish your present progressive tense specifically. Thank you, all the best. Have a nice time.